Hello everyone, this is Hussain again. Today I am going to let you meet our Pakistani team who is mainly responsible for sales and marketing of our product. I am going to the room now and I will let you introduce our team. Let me start with our sales team now. We have 4 people here, all of them are sales. Let me start with our first sales. He is Abdurrahman. And what are you doing, Abdurrahman?
I'm doing customer service.
You're finding customers through what?
Customer service.
Okay, customer leads from which platform?
Google.
Okay. This is our sales manager, who is mainly responsible for dealing with all the sales team. Hello, Zahid.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you doing now?
Actually, I got an inquiry from a customer, and now I am verifying this. If this customer is valid for a company or not.
Okay.
I'm verifying the website.
Okay. This is Hamid, our another sales guy. Right now he is focusing on Alibaba and finding some RFQ from the Alibaba website. Hamid, did you find any good customer?
Yes, I just found one from the France.
Mm.
It's from the Sophie Janice.
The name is Sophia Janice.
Yes. And RFQ is about high brightness touchscreen monitor.
Okay, thank you. Now I will talk about my fourth sales. I think Rauf is trying to introduce our 15-inch desktop POS system to the client. Where is the client from?
It's a client from Poland.
Okay.
I want to introduce our 15-inch POS system. I am sending the real video of our 15-inch POS system to him, so he will interested. So he will contact us.
Okay. So as you guys can see, we have currently 4 sales now, and we have another team which is mainly responsible for marketing, and that sits on the other side of the table. Of our desk is our marketing team, our graphic designer, and he is trying to make the data sheet of our product. Sitting next to Mr. Kamar, the graphic designer, is our web developer. Right now I think he is busy in some of the new project. I will ask him what is he doing now.
Hi, I am good, and I am currently working on a Italy website, so I manage in 3 days complete task.
Okay.
Oh.
So you will finish the task in 3 days.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Now I will introduce you the social media marketing manager and the Google Ads marketing manager of our company. His name is Mr. Faisal. How are you, Faisal?
I'm fine.
What are you doing now?
Currently, I am running paid media ads, especially Facebook ads and Google ads.
Did you find any good lead today, and where was it from?
I have found 2 leads, one mainly from France and second one from Germany.
Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this video, and hopefully I will make some more interesting videos of our company, as we find out that most of our clients know very less about our company structure and know very less about our company.